Here I've got Kruger Matz Move 8 Mini, and let me show you how to reset app preferences on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select apps and notifications. Now go to all apps, so in my case it's 24, then click on the more icon, which is 3 dots one in the right upper corner, and then select reset app preferences. And as you can see, once you select this option, you will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default application for actions, background data restriction for apps, and any permission restrictions. So if you truly want to perform it, click on Reset Apps. And that's it. App preferences have been reset. Congrats. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.